party's begun, lots of people have arrived already, and the car is going to be unveiled very soon. I hope people love the car. The party was buzzing and loads of people had come in. Everyone was really excited to see what the car looked like.
Ladies and gentlemen, hold your breath and get ready to witness a spectacular work of art created by the maverick designer Manish Arora.
The crowd's reactions to the car were simply amazing. People came to have a closer look. Some wanted to get a feel of the car by sitting inside, and others wanted to take pictures home. This design project had taken months to complete. When I got the car, it was an ordinary white Ambassador. All the fittings were very plain and uninspiring. The upholstery was a dull beige. We ripped out everything from the car and changed all the upholstery to bright Rexine. The ceiling, side panels and the seats were covered in a riot of colors. On the side windows, we hung bright sequined curtains in a geometric pattern. The back window curtains were made with a flashy hot pink fabric that stood out as a wonderful contrast to the blue paint job at the back. Also on the back glass window, we fitted some kitsch lights that were purchased locally, and they added a nice touch to the decor. Inside we put two blue neon lights that are usually used in auto rickshaws, tuk-tuks or cabs, and they lit the car in a very interesting manner. All the fixtures such as the door handles, knobs, hubcaps, rear view mirrors, and even the tray table, which were earlier a dull beige, were painted golden. Specially designed wheel humps were made and golden grills were fitted onto the car to give it an even more solid feel. The new dashboard was fully crystallized and became the center of attraction in the car. Crystal rivets were also put on the headrest, the steering wheel was pulled out and we made a colorful one, covered in different color leather pieces, and in the center came my favorite motif, the heart. This was also used on the custom-made number plates. The horn got fitted on the exterior of the car and the rear view mirrors were handcrafted and modeled like angel wings. On the exterior, I wanted the painting to be a mix of two very different themes. One was an underwater theme, replete with mermaids and sea life. And the other was inspired by some colorful and gaudy images of women who adorned local firecracker boxes. It came out beautifully and the final visual impact was spectacular. The final detail was the emblem which says life is beautiful and is truly the essence of this car. And finally, this car is a true celebration of India with all its color and humor and in all its glory. I can't believe everything has come out so well. Everybody loves this car. I could not have asked for anything better than that. 3 months of hard work, it's all showing right now.
It's a mind-blowingly bohemian car.
It's funky. It's like, you know, what you see at the back of a rickshaw.
Absolutely free-spirited, the way the person, if you know Manish, how he is.
I think it's very, very cool. I think it's really funny and it's really him.
I really like the way he's defining India, and I think it needs to be defined in this new modern sensibility, the way he's doing it. And I want to be inside that car.
I would love to drive this car all around India.
No, I want the car. I want the car.
It's a fantastic car.
My design dream had shaped up just the way I envisioned it, and I was thrilled with the outcome. Life is beautiful.